Hi, want to know how to fix jam paper inside your Samsung Xpress M2070? So let's imagine that we got into a situation when you're trying to print something and the paper got stuck inside your printer. What to do? So first thing that we can try, that's to take all of the paper that you got in your printer and then try to feel with your hand if the paper got stuck inside at the bottom part. And if you can't feel anything, don't worry, we still have some possible ways to solve this problem. Next thing that we can try here, that's to open the lid of your printer. For that, take both of your hands and just pull the lid up like this. And then just leave your hands, it will stay open like this. If you can't see the paper here, we would need to go even deeper inside the printer. But if yes, you can try really gently take out the paper so you won't accidentally damage the inside of your printer. Now, if we would like to go more inside, if you still can't see the paper, we would need to put our finger in this hole and then with the help of another hand, lift this lid up like this. Then again, put it up like this and it will stay like this way. You don't need to hold it. So the most possible way where the paper got stuck is this part here. Here you got the toner cartridge which is doing the print on the paper, and mostly it can be stuck here. And if you would like to have even more good vision, you can try to take out the cartridge like this, and mostly like 99% that you will be able to see the stuck paper inside here. When you have found the paper, you can try to really gently take it out, but if you can see that it's really hard stuck and you're afraid to damage your printer, the best way to solve this problem is to take your printer to the service center. And this is it for today. Now let's put everything back. And after you have closed your printer, make sure that everything works and you have not damaged anything. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.